What is going on, guys? In today's video, I want to share with you the 3 best opening intros when cold calling for life insurance. I'm going to share with you guys these 3 intros, the confused tone, the common tone, or the concerned tone that will help you master and get through the intro without getting hung up on. Now, I want to show you guys real evidence and real data of how this works. So I'm actually calling 3, 4, 5, 6-month-old leads, cold calling them and getting them through the intro. Okay, now if you don't know who I am, I want to share with you real quick. My name is Peter Roberts. I've sold over $500,000 of final expense life insurance on my own pen prior to ever building an agency. And in the last 12 months building an agency with Legacy Family Life, we've done over $2.1 million of life insurance, and I share this with my team, I share this with myself, and I promise you, if you use these 3 intros, you will have more people listen to you in the first 30 seconds, less hangups, and more success dialing as a life insurance agent and doing cold calls. So let's jump in, let's use this, and ultimately I'm gonna share with you guys these 3 frameworks that will help you crush as a life insurance agent. Let's get it. Okay, so the first opening line that we're gonna use is all around the tonality of being confused. Okay, so we're gonna call these leads and we're gonna act confused. Confusion helps them stay on the phone. Confusion allows them to put their ear up to the phone and figure out what the heck is going on. So here's the intro that we're going to use. Hey, and look at my eyes. Hey, is this John? Oh, okay. Hey, John, this is just Peter. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. It's about this request that you sent in on the internet. You put down that your daughter was the beneficiary. Is that right, John? So I am super confused. It is not a straight line approach. It is, hey John, my eyes are coming in. I'm just confused. I don't know what I'm looking at. But I want to share with you how you can use this same script. If you want to write that down, and it'll get you through the intro. You'll have less people hang up on you, and ultimately, let's give you guys some evidence. Let's do it. Okay, so for these leads, we're going to be just hand dialing them. And we're gonna be triple and double dialing. Okay, so just calling them, getting them to pick up. These are older leads, and it's a Saturday, so they probably aren't as receptive either. They're probably with their family, so let's see what we can get. Is this Linda?
This is not Linda. May I ask who's calling?
Oh my gosh, you know where Linda is?
I don't even know what Linda you're talking about. May I ask who's calling?
Yeah, my name is Peter. I'm so sorry. I was just kind of confused here. She wanted me to call her. Linda Patterson. She put down, her benefit. Are you Carrie?
No, I'm her daughter.
Okay. Do you know Carrie by chance?
Yes, I'm her daughter.
Oh, okay. Let me see what's going on. Is she doing okay, Miss Linda?
Turn left and then turn. Linda's fine.
Okay.
You're Peter with who?
Yeah, Peter. I'm with Legacy Family Life. She told me to give her like a call today, but I've been just so busy. She sent in this form, and she listed Carrie as the beneficiary, and that she was looking for some life insurance. Did you fill that out for her?
I didn't fill it out, but I will let my mom know that you called, and is this a good number to reach you back at?
Yeah, is she not with you? Oh my gosh.
She's not with me right at the moment.
Okay.
Well, Linda's not with me right at the moment.
Okay.
Carrie's in the bathroom at the moment.
Oh, Carrie's in the bathroom. Okay, do you have a good number for Linda or no?
I don't know it by heart, but hold on. My mom's coming out of the bathroom now, which is Carrie.
Oh, okay. I'm just confused here. Really confused.
Hello?
Hey, Miss Carrie?
Yes.
Hey, Miss Carrie, this is just Peter. I was just trying to figure out what's going on here. Miss Linda might have sent this form, and I don't know if you did for her. She wanted me to help her with this. It's about the life insurance. She put down that she doesn't have any coverage. Did you send that in for her, or?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. And I'm seeing that she's sick, right?
Correct.
Okay. This makes me feel better. Okay, gotcha. And were you guys just looking to leave something for the family, or are you just trying to cover the burial expenses?
Mostly the burial expenses.
Oh, okay. So you just want something to kind of cover those burial expenses, really all you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay.
I know something to cover the family is going to be pretty expensive with her agent on.
And you just want to make sure something happens to her, God forbid, maybe the family's not stuck paying the funeral expenses. Is that what you're really most concerned about?
Right.
Okay, so that was Number one, I absolutely triple dialed that lady. She picked up on the third call, and it was someone else. I was so confused. I could hear her like, oh, this is about this life insurance. And she actually passed the phone to the right person. So with me being confused, you can see that it makes them like want to figure out what's going on. That she was confused, I was confused, and that is one of my favorite intros. So you can see there live. We got her all the way through. We set an appointment. She's at the zoo right now, so she couldn't go into the life insurance matters, but just got her for the first 30 seconds. I didn't get a hang up or a click. Scheduled a great appointment. Already got her medical information. Definitely gonna probably be a deal. So that's how you go through the intro with being confused. Let's try a few more. You can see my eyes. I'm like, what's going on? It triggers it. So let's go. Keep doing more confused. Tonality number one. Let's make it work again. Miss Rebecca?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Miss Rebecca?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Miss Rebecca, this is Peter. Do you have a second? I'm kind of confused here.
This is Peter.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Peter. You told me to, I'm sorry I didn't call you yesterday. It was about the, oh man. It's about that request that you sent in. Let me see, you listed your husband, I think, would be your beneficiary. You remember filling that out?
Alright, is this for the life insurance?
Yeah, I think that was you that you filled that out. You put down that,
Yeah.
oh
Yeah.
man, it's not too bad. Good. Well, you put down here, let me see what's going. You put down that you don't have any coverage, Miss Rebecca. Were you just looking to maybe leave something for the kiddos, or are you just trying to cover the burial expenses?
No, I'm just cover. I want to cover just the burial, so my kids don't have to worry about that.
Oh, so you're worried if something happens to you that the burial's kind of clean, you know, taken care of for your kids?
Right, because I'm going to be cremated. That's it.
Okay, I'm following you here. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so you just want to cover the burial expenses. All right, so you can see there through the intro with confusion, it has worked again. Got the lady all the way to a quote and scheduled an appointment, but initially she was at work. But you can hear with that confusion of uncertainty, and you're confused in my voice, not knowing what's going on. You can buy a lot of time. We're gonna go into the second framework or the second introduction that you're gonna use that will help keep people on the phone, get people to open up and not hang up on you, and that is the common tone or the friendly tone. Common means like, I almost know you. So when I call, hey, what's going on, Peter? This is just Jimmy. How you been, my friend? This is me just getting back to you about that request that you sent in. You doing good? And it's almost like when you speak and you sound like you know someone is what you want to do. So the intro is like almost like I know you. Hey, Mr. Jimmy, what's going on? It's just me, Peter. Yeah, I'm just calling you about that request that you sent in. Yeah, it's me. About the request that you sent in on, you know, Instagram. You listed Jimmy would be the beneficiary. Is that right? So it's that common friendly. So first one we have confused or not sure. They're like trying to figure it out. The second one is, wait, I should know this person. Like, you sound like you know me. I don't want to sound dumb for not knowing you. I'm not going to hang up on you, but I'm going to kind of just listen a bit. So let's go ahead. Let's keep calling some lead. I've only made a few hand dials, and they're picking up. So let's go ahead and use that common tone, see how it works. Hey, Miss Bernadine.
Hey.
Hey, it's Peter.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How you been?
I've been good.
You hanging? Everything's still going good? You're doing all right?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm sorry I didn't call you earlier. Remember you told me to call you today?
Oh, yeah.
I've been so tied up, Miss Bernadine. I've been just running around here. My boss got me working on the dang weekends. But it was about that request that you needed help with. Remember you sent that in? It was for the life insurance.
Oh, yeah.
I finally had a time here. It was, you're still looking around for some help, right?
Yeah, I'm just weighing my options right now.
Yeah. Were you just mainly looking to leave something for the family, or is it just like the burial expenses that you're worried about?
I've got the burial part of it covered.
Okay.
I just was looking for more insurance. No, I was just looking around to see.
Oh, okay. So you already have some, and you're just maybe seeing if you can find something extra.
Yeah.
How much do they have you paying right now for your insurance? We just got off the phone, a few calls, got her through all the way through the end, all by using that common or friendly. I start off by saying, hey, like, you know me, right? This lead had no information. It was literally her phone number and her first and last name, and we got her all the way through her presentation. She was a school bus driver, and there was not much value in this, what I presented her, in her reason to buy. She already had $50,000 of life insurance, but I got her all the way through the end. In the beginning, I acted like, hey, it's Peter, like, Miss Betty, it's me, it's Peter. She's like, yeah, what's going on? You see how she responded like she was expected to know who I was? And it's by having that common or friendly tonality. So I was able to take her through, quote her numbers I've yet to get hung up on using the confused tone, and ultimately, secondly, using that commonality. Now we're gonna use the concern tone. Oh my, hey, is this Miss Betty? Oh, Miss Betty, are you doing okay? Are you all right, Miss Betty? Oh my gosh, it's so good. I was getting all worried about you. This was Peter. It's about that request. Oh my gosh. And concern. Concern will keep on going. So we have the confused, it works. Curiosity, it works. And the commonality works. Now we're gonna go into that confused and worried tonality. Let's go ahead and watch how it works. Miss Julie?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Miss Julie, are you all right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're doing okay?
What's the matter?
Oh my god, I haven't heard from you. Are you all right?
She's taking life a day at a time.
Oh man, I was getting all upset. You told me to call you the other day, and I didn't hear from you. I was like, what's kind of going on? What'd you say?
My granddaughter's boyfriend, he got hit by a car, so we've been spending a lot of time with.
Oh my gosh, get out of there. When did that happen? Unbelievable. Oh my gosh.
Last week. He's still in the University of Cincinnati Hospital. He
got hit by a car?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How are you guys doing? Are you hanging there as best you can?
Yeah, we're just tired.
Maybe that's why I heard from you. I was calling you, and this might be, sensitive. It was about like a request that you sent in the other day. It was on the internet for life insurance. Okay, so that wasn't the worst intro there. Was able to get her through and kind of get some information. Hung on there for more than 30 seconds, but tough situation. Concern work. Let's go ahead and get a better example. Let me share with you how we can get them and move them forward. She was on the line for about a minute, but just being super concerned. They're not hanging up. They're wanting to listen to what's going on is kind of what you want. So let's make some more phone calls and share with you how that concern tone will work.
Can I help you?
Hi, are you all right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, are you doing okay? What's going on, Miss Teresa? Are you all right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I was getting all worried about you. I hadn't heard from you in a few days. You're hanging in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, this is Peter. Oh my gosh, it's so good to hear from you. I was worried. Oh wow. Okay. Did I catch you at an okay time? Are you free?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I was getting all concerned. You told me to call you the other day, and then I didn't hear from you. It was about the request that you need my help with. You sent in the other day. It was for the life insurance. You remember you put down, with the COPD, you were looking for some life insurance.
Okay.
What'd you say? You're breaking up on me.
You work with life insurance?
Yeah, it was about the request that you sent in the other day. You wanted the life insurance. Remember filling that out?
I filled out so many.
Oh my god. Have you been getting a lot of calls? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, I just want to try to help you. You put down that you were 60 years young. You were just looking for some life insurance. Is that right?
Yeah, but I found some.
Oh, oh my goodness. Good. Let me see why your file. How much did you get?
What do you mean?
Let me see why they marked your file. So you guys want to wrap the video up. That is the 3 best intros that you can be using for cold calling. I had not had one person hang up on me in the first 30 seconds. Was able to get them through, to move them through being curious, having that common tonality or friendly tone, and then being that concern tone. If you use those 3 tones, you'll have higher pickups, you'll have more presentations, you have more people to talk to, people won't hang up on you, and you'll make more money selling life insurance. So hope those helped you, and if you need anything, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.